Are you just starting your financial journey and feeling overwhelmed by all the advice out there? Don't worry. Financial planning doesn't have to be complicated, and you don't need a large sum of money to get started. The key is to lay a strong foundation and build good habits from the beginning. In this video, we'll cover 5 financial planning tips that will help you create a solid financial foundation. These tips are perfect for beginners who want to make smarter, long-term decisions and set themselves up for financial success. Let's dive into these strategies to build your financial future. 1. Build a stability buffer before an emergency fund. One of the most common mistakes beginners make when starting to plan their finances is focusing on saving a 6-month emergency fund right away. While this is a great long-term goal, try to build such a large emergency fund at the start can feel overwhelming, especially if you're new to saving and managing your money. The idea of saving so much money in a short time can discourage you, leading to frustration and giving up instead of getting discouraged. Consider starting with a stability buffer. A stability buffer is a smaller, more manageable amount of money, around $1,000, that you can quickly save and put into a high-yield savings account. This buffer is meant to cover everyday inconveniences, such as a flat tire, the broken phone, or an unexpected medical bill that might not be covered by insurance. These small emergencies, though not catastrophic, can still feel like major financial setbacks if you're unprepared. Having a stability buffer ensures that these inconveniences don't derail your finances or force you to dip into long-term investments. The beauty of this strategy is that it allows you to cover minor financial hiccups without the overwhelming pressure of building a massive emergency fund from the get-go. Once you've successfully built the stability buffer, you'll feel more confident in starting your larger emergency fund. This smaller goal sets the stage for long-term financial success and provides you with peace of mind, knowing you've got a cushion to handle the little bumps along the way. 2. Design an automation map. One of the biggest challenges when starting your financial journey is relying on willpower to manage your finances. It's easy to say, I'll stick to my budget. But when money is readily available in your checking account, it's tempting to spend on impulse. That's why, as a beginner, one of the smartest things you can do is design an automation map, a visual representation of your money flow and how it can be automatically managed to ensure consistent financial success. Instead of relying on your willpower alone, the idea behind this map is to automate the entire process of managing your finances, from savings to bill payments. Start by setting up direct deposit for your paycheck into your bank account. This ensures that you are paid first, and there's no risk of spending your paycheck before you save. Afterward, set up automatic contributions to your retirement accounts, like a 401k or IRA, so you are consistently building wealth for the future without having to think about it. Next, automate your monthly bills, including utilities, subscriptions, and any other regular expenses. This reduces the likelihood of late fees and ensures that you never forget a payment. Automating your savings is just as important. Set up a portion of your paycheck to go directly into a savings account, ensuring that you're consistently building wealth each month. Finally, once all the necessary transfers are done, you can spend the remaining money without worry, knowing that your financial obligations are already taken care of. The key to this system is automation. By automating everything, you ensure that saving and investing happen before you spend, removing the mental burden of managing your finances. Once these systems are in place, you don't have to think about them anymore. They'll work on autopilot, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life while steadily building wealth. 3. Audit your cost per use (CPU). Another excellent financial planning tip for beginners is to shift your focus from just looking at the price tag of an item to evaluating the cost per use (CPU). When you think about making purchases, instead of simply considering how much the item costs, ask yourself, how often will I actually use this? This simple shift in perspective can make a big difference in how you approach spending. For example, consider a $100 pair of boots that you wear 200 times. The cost per use is 50 cents per wear, which is relatively affordable if you're getting a lot of use out of them. Compare this to a $20 fast fashion shirt that you wear only twice, making the cost per use $10 per wear. That's a huge difference. When you start looking at purchases this way, you'll make more thoughtful, value-driven decisions. By applying the cost per use principle to all your purchases, whether it's clothing, gadgets, or anything else, you can make choices that save you money over time. This method aligns your spending with real value, helping you avoid impulse buys that don't serve you in the long run. It's a simple yet effective way to shift your mindset and ensure that every dollar spent brings true value over time. This habit not only improves your spending habits, but also helps you prioritize items that truly enhance your lifestyle, making your purchases more purposeful and rewarding. 4. Adopt gap-focused goal setting. As a beginner, you may feel overwhelmed by the idea of achieving massive net worth goals. Large financial targets can often seem unattainable and create unnecessary stress. Instead of focusing on a big, intimidating number, consider adopting gap-focused goal setting. The gap refers to the difference between what you earn and what you spend. The goal is to consistently work on widening that gap every quarter by either increasing your income or trimming your invisible costs, the small, often overlooked expenses that add up over time. Focusing on the gap rather than the end result makes the process more manageable. It shifts your focus to actions you can take today, rather than waiting for a huge financial breakthrough. For instance, if you increase your income by $1,000 per month and reduce your expenses by $500, you effectively widen your gap by $1,500 a month. The wider the gap, the faster you can build wealth. This strategy encourages you to become more efficient with your money by focusing on improving both your earnings and savings. Instead of obsessing over a large end goal, you focus on steadily growing the gap between your income and spending. Over time, this small but consistent growth accelerates your path to financial freedom. It's a sustainable, realistic approach to financial planning that focuses on small, achievable goals with a big long-term impact. As you continue to widen the gap, your confidence in managing finances grows, and you begin to feel more in control of your wealth-building journey. 5. Create a learning capital line item. Finally, one of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Often, beginners forget to include personal development in their financial plans. That's where a learning capital line item comes in. Dedicate 5% of your income to learning new, high ROI skills, such as AI tools, public speaking, or negotiation. By investing in learning capital, you're improving your ability to earn more money in the future. Whether it's taking a course, attending a workshop, or hiring a mentor, these investments in yourself often yield returns far higher than traditional investments, like the stock market. By continuously upgrading your skills, you open doors to better job opportunities, higher salaries, and entrepreneurial ventures. This approach acknowledges that you are your greatest asset, and by allocating funds to improve yourself, you're setting the foundation for lifelong financial success. The beauty of learning capital is that it compounds over time, just like financial investments. As you gain new skills, your earning potential increases, leading to more opportunities and more wealth. Investing in yourself not only provides long-term career benefits, but also boosts your confidence and adaptability in an ever-changing market. Ultimately, it's one of the most powerful ways to future-proof your financial journey and enhance your personal growth. There you have it, top 5 financial planning tips for beginners. From building a stability buffer to investing in your learning capital, these tips will help you establish a strong financial foundation and put you on the path to wealth. Remember, financial planning doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's about taking small, consistent steps toward your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Let me know in the comments which financial planning tip you'll implement first. I'll see you in the next video.